So in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to install WordPress theme from a zip file. So follow these easy and step-by-step guide to upload and activate a theme from zip. First of all, let's download a theme zip file. So you can come to this wordpress.org/themes website, and here you will find lots of free and paid themes for your WordPress website. Here you will find a bunch of different categories. You can go ahead and select a perfect theme for your WordPress website. So in here, I'm going to download this theme, for example, Kubio. So I'm going to clicking on this theme and just clicking on download. And here, as you can see, the theme is downloading in zip file. Okay, now as you can see, I have my WordPress theme in a zip file, and now it's time to install and activate this theme using the zip file. To do that, first of all, log into your WordPress website admin dashboard, and here hover over on appearance and just click on themes. And once you are in theme section, click on add new theme and click on upload theme. And if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here. So all you have to need, just click on choose file, and now select your theme zip file and click on open and just click on install now. And it may take some time to install your theme. It depends on your theme file size. Once your theme successfully uploaded, now you can live preview your theme from here, and you can directly activate the theme by clicking here. So let's activate the theme, and here you can see my new theme successfully activated. And now let's visit our site, and here we can see I've successfully uploaded and activated my WordPress website new theme from theme zip file. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.